a gallon of clear versus a gallon of white. I'm going to be making the clear slime.
And I'm going to be making the white.
And the ingredients I'm going to be using today is clear glue, contact solution, and baking soda.
The ingredients I'm going to be using today is free and clear Tide, and this clear paint is Bomba Blue, and some white Elmer's glue. The tools we're going to be using today is our buckets.
And then some mixing. We have some plastic cups.
Let's get started.
I'm going to take my clear
Can you
glue.
move your bucket onto your side?
I'm going to take my clear glue and I'm going to pour it in.
The boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't wanna be like oh, oh, oh.
I'm not going to add any because I'm making clear slime.
Don't tell me, tell me how I should be. How I should. All we want is to be free. We don't want to be like oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't want to be like oh, 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 oh. Don't want to be like yeah.
Stir it until it's completely mixed in. You can kind of see how I roll like before. I just ran out of room. Now you can't.
Oh, that looks so
This is
nice.
Bomba Blue. I thought it was teal. Or turquoise.
Hey, you know when it says Bomba Blue? Yeah, it's Bomba Blue.
What? Really pretty. It looks like marble because it's all like swizzled around. I like this color. It's really cool. I love how it's marble. You know, in class we did something like this. Whoa! Let me start this up.
So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like to.
Okay, I got it all mixed in. Look how pretty it looks, guys. My knife fell in, so I got a different one. I'm gonna wait until I turn it into slime before I can take it out.
So the next step is to add our activators. First, I'm going to add in my baking soda. Since this is a large batch of slime, I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the top. That's good. Okay, so now I'm just stirring in all the borax. I'm stirring in my baking soda until it's completely dissolved. I don't want any white clumps in my slime. Now I'm going to add in my contact lens solution.
And now I'm gonna add a clear gray Tide.
Let's stir it.
Become better slime.
It's coming together nice.
I can see it's coming together. It's already starting to come to slime. I think I need my activator.
Look at this, it's this like a big ball of slime right there.
I know.
See it? When I stir it?
Stir slowly.
If you stir slowly, the less air bubbles gets into your clear slime, and the less it takes to turn clear. I added a whole cup full for it can come together because this is a big batch. Try getting most of it with the glue. I'll add some more. I'm just gonna go in my hand.
Why did I do that? I need one more side.
Oh, Mary's glued it in now.
Thank you.
Starting to come together nice.
Yep. Gotta work it in my hands and add some more.
It's a large batch, so it's hard to put together.
Takes
That
a
looks
while.
awesome. And Izzy's is coming together awesome.
Oh, I almost got it in my hair.
My slime is almost done.
Mine
Mine is coming together awesome. I just need to work it a little bit more with my hand, and then it will be done.
Mine is coming together, but at the same time, like, kind of not, but at the same time it is. It's just, I feel like
It's almost
just
done. It's like stretchy and stuff. It's just a little sticky. You just need to get more work in your hands.
Do you see the bubble? Look.
Look, since all the air bubbles get into the clear slime, it turns white. You gotta wait 7 days for your slime to turn clear. And if you stir really slowly, less air bubbles get in. The air bubbles is what turns the slime white. Let's keep mixing. We're almost done.
Not really. Ugh. This is so heavy. I feel like it's liquid. Okay, guys, so we got it all together. And it's done now. I'm going to show you mine first. So, should I take it out of the bucket? This is my slime. It's so cool. When you do this, you can feel it. It's like a texture slime. It kind of feels like a whip or something. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels so cool. And like you can hear it. Oh, look at bubble. I'm gonna pop it.
It's finding your hair.
Ow! Ow!
You said, can you pull my hair out?
Take it out!
That's what I tried to do.
Not pull my hair out, you crazy? Look, it's not sticky. Like, let's give it a poke test. Okay, let's get it all together and flatten it. Oops. Get it in. Oh, that feels good. It's like satisfying. How to get it poked. I got these leftover star beads and blue eyes and beads. So I want to add them to the slime. I'm going to add them in now. So let's like spread it out. Water around it. And milk. So what I'm going to make a monster. Oh, really? Okay. So now I'm going to get marshmallow beads. And now let's sprinkle you some buddy eyes.
There's some eyes under here. Oh look, the eye's trying to hide. So. Oh, it's gonna be crunchy slime. Don't hide.
The two nostrils and the nose comes
Oh my god! The goofy guy.
Bye. It's sticky on the bottom. This is my slime, guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Oh yeah, comment down below who you think slime is better. On our Poofo one, you think Mary was best, but I think mine was best. Why were you guys laughing at me? Okay, so this is what I said. Okay, so I said I took more time, but when I took the more time, I made my slime better and it wasn't sticky. And
Mine
Mary's
wasn't sticky. Okay guys, so this is my clear slime.
Is it hard?
But
Oh, wow.
since clear slime takes 7 days to turn clear, I made a batch in advance for this video.
Oh my gosh,
So I'm gonna go get it. Here it is, guys. Clear slime.
It kind of looks.
It's a clear slime.
Can I touch it?
Here it is, guys. Let's take it out of the container now.
It feels like jelly. Like hair gel, you know?
Oh my god, it's not falling.
Maybe I have to just get the corners.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get
Turn clear. I mean, turn white. Oh, I love it. Don't forget that one. Here's your
Don't put it in here because it's right now. So
Here's her batch of clear slime. Isn't that cool? Some people call it liquid glass.
liquid glass.
Yep. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna pop it. Whoa! Oh, poke it.
Yeah, sometimes I get mixed up. I call it popping sometimes. Can I pop it?
Let's spread a little bit of it on the table, just that way you guys can see how clear it really is.
Oh my god, it's sticky.
Okay, ready? Let me see when I put it in my hand how clear it really is. I think this slime is awesome. Let me know in the comments of what you guys think of my slime.
I think I'll go.
Whoa, that was so cool. Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Ooh. Okay, don't go in the middle.
But it's just so tempting to touch it.
Ooh. Oh my god. Really?
Did you see that bubble? I'm just so cold.
You guys see that? You want to see it again?
Do it again. Do it again.
Wait.
Wait, you have to do it like use.
Do you guys see when I blow it? It's like a rainbow at one part in the bubble. Here, I'll do it again. Maybe you guys try to notice it. You see some rain. Have you ever seen this much clear slime? Bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.